Alright. The cops is gonna stop that guy over there. That car that just passed on the left lane, that's the only car I know that was going a lot faster than all of a sudden there you go, there you go, there you go, right here. There you go, there you go. Get him. That's why I don't speed. Hey, you heard that? That's why I don't speed, Papa. Fuck that. Nah, man. Nah, man. That's insurance, taxes, fees, fines. There you go. He got you, Papa. He got you. Yep. Yep. Pull your ass over. Nope. Got him. You gotta go reasonable, man. 5, 10, you doing fucking 20 over. I mean, come on. Shit. 15, 20. I say 10. You might be alright. I'm just saying. 15, 20. You asking for it. Stay within the speed limit. But if you have to go over 5, 10, anything over that, you asking for it. That's all I'm saying. I just never heard anybody got a ticket for going 5, 10 over. I don't know. Maybe that happened. I don't know. I'm just saying. New York City red light is 11 over. So speed cameras 11 over. So